Good evening and welcome to Audi Live. My name is Markus Schuster, Managing Director of Audi Singapore. Tonight we have something quite special to show you. I am referring to a modern icon, the Audi A5. In fact, you may not even realize that it made its world debut only 13 years ago. Within that short time, the Audi A5 has become one of our most recognizable cars. And for us in Singapore, the Audi A5 range is really very popular among those who appreciate timeless, modern design. So, what did Audi do with the latest update of the A5? Let's find out. Tonight, I have Rudi Venter here with us, who will take us through some of its new features and updates.
Hey Marcus, nice to see you. The Audi A5 is a family of three distinct personalities. Design is a very important part of the A5's overall appeal. Now, the entire family has been updated on the design front, and I'd like to point them out to you here with the new A5 Sportback. As an overall concept, the updated A5 range looks even sharper than before, like the new honeycomb pattern on the front grille. And if you look at these slits here, on the one hand they pay homage to the legendary Audi Sport Quattro rally car. On the other hand, they allow the entire face of the car to look that much lower and wider. This is complemented by the headlight design, which features an all-new detail.
One of the key design updates here is the use of new matrix LED technology. These new lights maximize visibility in the dark while actively dipping to avoid blinding other road users. So there's as much technology here as there is design at work. At the rear, the LED taillights are also equipped with dynamic turn signals. Further down, you will find a new rear diffuser insert and trapezoidal tailpipes. The horizontal orientation of all these elements have the effect of visually widening the car and enhancing that special Sportback look.
While focusing on the back of the car, the Sportback is the most popular member of the A5 range, and with good reason. The Sportback is a unique concept that Audi is really proud of. It combines the style of a coupé, the functionality of a sedan, and the flexibility of an Avant. It's no mean feat achieving three-in-one concepts. For a start, it's a lot more complicated than just adding doors to an A5 coupé. In fact, everything from the A-pillar onwards is unique to the Sportback. The rear axles are pushed further from one another, and this ensures that there is enough space for passengers in the back and lets the roofline flow very smoothly, creating a beautiful GT car silhouette. True to the Grand Touring promise, the Sportback features a generous boot with a comfortably low loading lip, so you can easily pack whatever you need, whether it's groceries, your golf bags, or some luggage for a 4-person road trip.
Now we move from the most practical and flexible member of the A5 family to my personal favorite. The A5 Cabriolet is probably the most beautiful and visually expressive member of the range. Let's check it out. Audi has a tradition of making the best looking convertibles, and the A5 Cabriolet only continues this legacy. This car brings together the classical cues that can be found in every convertible that has ever carried the four rings. And it starts with the windscreen surrounds. It has a chrome-like finish, which is extremely elegant. The use of this high-gloss finish continues along the shoulder line all the way to the back and integrates the third braking light. This has the visual effect of lengthening the car and complements the almost waved-like belt line, which has always been a signature of the A5 from the beginning. Another element, which is the most obvious part of the Cabriolet, is the soft top. Audi has always kept to making convertibles with fabric tops. This is again a combination of classical design and advanced engineering. As a design element, it allows the opportunity to have a different roof color. The A5 Cabriolet can be ordered with a black, grey, brown or red roof. In terms of engineering, the soft top features an acoustic layer to keep noise out when it's up. The frame is made from magnesium and aluminium to keep it strong and light. And very important for Singapore, when the weather can suddenly go from stormy to sunny, the roof is able to do its thing at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour and open completely in only 15 seconds. The fabric roof also features a very compact folding. This leaves more room in the boot, and of course, the rear seats can be folded to further expand capacity. The interior of the Cabriolet also features plenty of unique touches. It starts with the upholstery. The leather used is specially treated to repel heat. To help you start your journey, the Cabriolet has special arms that extend automatically when you close the door after getting in, so you can comfortably and conveniently belt up. These seat belts are also equipped with microphones that will pair with your mobile device, so that call quality remains crystal clear while driving with the roof down. The 3-zone digital climate control also has been programmed to tackle the challenges that come with the Cabriolet format. Like when the roof is folded, it'll actually adjust automatically to keep you cool. Now, Rudy, if you can join me here, we can show some of the updates on the A5 range.
Yeah, absolutely, Marcus. The interior of the Audi A5 has been carefully updated. It's all about maintaining the same feeling of a classy design that's executed to the highest levels in terms of quality. All Audi A5 models will feature these snug, comfortable sport seats complete with memory function for the driver's side, which means that you can easily switch between drivers in the household, literally at the touch of a button. The digital interface has been upgraded again to set the bar in terms of user experience.
Here, the A5 has taken a leaf from the larger models in the Audi portfolio, namely the A7 Sportback and the Q8. The premium experience is built around the user. It's all about the ability to configure and personalize the car to suit your exact needs and preferences.
Yes, so here is the new 10.1-inch screen on the dash that is part of our latest multimedia infotainment system known as the MMI Touch. Anyone familiar with the smartphone will feel right at home here. The screen display is vibrant yet easy on the eye, while features like natural voice control and handwriting recognition make the system really intuitive.
Naturally, Audi's smartphone interface, which is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, comes standard. This allows you convenient and safe access to your phone on the move. And the standout feature of the Audi A5 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit system. While this technology is increasingly common, Audi was the pioneer of this innovation. This Audi A5 is now upgraded to Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, which is even more configurable than before.
And it's not just the hardware that's been improved. The software has also been updated with the latest Audi Connect services that are now standard on the new A5. It's a full suite of digital services that help provide useful information to ease the challenges and stresses of everyday driving. Audi Connect provides more information to the driver natively through the MMI system, as well as enabling remote services for your convenience.
With a built-in onboard data connection, the system will also account for traffic conditions, so you can get there with as little drama as possible. And you can even use the weather forecast, which provides you with up to a week's worth of information. Audi believes in integrating with our customers' digital lives. With the Audi A5, it's also about collaborating with your smartphone. With the My Audi app on your smartphone, you will be able to send your next destinations straight to your car. Lock or unlock it remotely, check out information such as vehicle mileage and fuel levels, just to name a few. Other features such as car finder and geofencing alerts are also available.
These features can be really helpful, especially for people who tend to forget where they park their cars. Or, for example, if they need to quickly find out the fuel level or to check if you have locked the doors after parking. Here is a full list of Audi Connect features that are available, starting with the new Audi A5. And if you'd like more information on Audi Connect, you can arrange for a session with our product experts who will be able to take you through these new features via an online consultation.
And in each of these body styles, you can choose from a variety of efficient and dynamic 2-liter engines. In the following months, the A5 range will expand to include an even more powerful 249 horsepower engine with Audi's signature quattro all-wheel drive system.
The Audi A5 range has managed to become an icon within such a short space of time because it always delivers in terms of the looks and the drive. Choosing amongst the Sportback, the Coupé and the Cabriolet is down to what you need.
For special launch packages, please click on the link provided or follow the instructions at the end of the video. Contact details and test drive bookings will also be provided for you to register your interest in the new Audi A5. See you next time.